Welcome to Theology in Minutes. Today, we're looking past the status quo to find the true hope of liberation. We live in an age of a new, false religion. It doesn't demand your soul, but it demands your total allegiance to the global market. While global markets thrive, millions live on the underside of power. For them, life is hard, brutal, and short, driven by an economic system that commodifies even their basic needs. Neoliberalism acts as a church. It has its own dogma, its own salvation in free trade, and its own evangelists pushing profit over people. But hope remains. It's found in the faith of the people. Real liberation theology isn't a commodity to be exported. It's the spiritual strength to resist. We move from orthodoxy, correct doctrine, to orthopraxis, correct action. To know God is to do justice. We don't need to believe the same things to fight for the same justice. Our shared commitment to liberation is our entry point. How can your faith call you to action? Let us know in the comments.